I just bought $5,000 worth of Amazon returns. Did I make a good deal? What's up, beautiful people? TJ here with another episode of Side Hustle Sunday. And today we are going to be exploring the realms of purchasing liquidations and pallets and reselling them. So I bought a pallet for $5,000. I also wanted to mention that this video specifically is for the Walmart pallet that I purchased locally. So I'm not going to be going into the $5,000 worth of stuff that I purchased from Amazon. That video will be out in the next 5 days. I believe that pallet's set to be here on Friday. And I just want to pop out and tell you that before we went into the video. This video is mainly about me purchasing the local pallet and everything I got from it in the process of listing everything online. So back to the video. But me and my sister are going to go today to a local place and see if we can find a pallet for cheaper and local. So let's get to it. We're at the liquidator store. We're looking at these pallets. Look at these pallets. That's the whole bed. So the prices look like they range from $200 to $300, and they got a bunch of stuff in these pallets. So we're gonna look through the closing here in about 5 minutes, but we're going to see if we can find something. Maybe tomorrow we'll come back. All right, we got a pallet. It was $300, and we actually talked them down to $250. So it's got a bunch of good stuff in it. We're going to go home and we are going to unbox. Okay, so here is the receipt. I don't know if you can see that or not. Yeah, you can see it. It was $250 with tax. It was $267.50, and it was $300, and he gave us a good deal. Where's this place called? Wholesale Liquidators.
Got so tired of waiting. Tired of the chase. I've been feeling.
So me and my sister purchased the pallet today, and it had, I don't know how much stuff it had in it, but I'm going to show you real quick what it had in it. I'm going to go through and I bought some shelves. I'm going to kind of process everything, and you'll see how we did. All right, here is some of the stuff. It's about 5 of the Honeywell fans. I just bought one of these for my back porch. I paid $60 for it. So I'm going to check everything, make sure it all works. It's got some filters. There's a lot of toys and a lot of summer stuff. Like I said, I only paid $200 for this, or $250 for it. So we'll see how this one does. But over here we got a whole bunch more toys, some inflatable pools. I think we got about 5 or 6 pools, so I'll make sure that all those are intact. They do all have stickers on them. A lot of these are Walmart returns, actually. In this tub right here, I've got it's like a bunch of toys. This tub right here has a bunch of toys in it. That box right there is not even opened. There's a mailbox over there. It's unopened. So yeah, I'm gonna go through everything and kind of get everything squared away. And I will see you guys in a minute. All right, so I'm just gonna show you everything that is in this pallet. I'm not gonna go like line by line and show you every single thing, but I'm just gonna give you a general idea of what we got with this pallet. Keep in mind that this is a like Walmart return pallet that I got locally. So it's gonna have like summer type of stuff. It's got pools and stuff like that. And in 5 days from now, I'm going to be getting my Amazon pallet that's got $5,000 worth of stuff on it that we paid $500 for. So if you want to see that video, subscribe to this channel and you will see that on Friday. Well, actually you won't see it on Friday. You'll see it on Sunday because it's going to be part of Side Hustle Sunday. So let's get into the pallet. All right, so this is all of my stuff that I got. So I'm just going to kind of walk through everything that I got and show you what's going on. All right, so as you can see, there are a lot of like summer type of items. There you have, I think we've got 7 of these 10-foot family pools. Most of them aren't even open. There's a couple of them that are open. One of them, actually, they all have return slips on them, and they all say what if they're damaged or if they just didn't want them. One of them says it has a hole in it, so we're probably going to end up discarding that one. But there are some pools that have like pump filters. Those are pump filters up there. There's pool maintenance kits. There are pool toys and floaties and goggles. And over here we have some board games. We have a mailbox that's unopened. We've got a couple of personal fans. There's some as seen on TV stuff, some batteries, board games, deadbolt locks, a couple of those, a pillow in the back there. There's some filters. There's a bunch of these Peerless, I don't even know what brand that is, Peerless things. Some of them are unopened, some of them are open. Nothing's wrong with none of those. There's some different random toys, some Barbies. And then here are 2 boxes full of Hot Wheels. I think I counted 168 Hot Wheel toys. Then I've got some Play-Doh stuff. I've got some other filters. There's a Nerf gun, bubble blower, some more as seen on TV stuff. There's some filters. There's some filters down there, and then over here we have some light bulbs, Rubik's Cube, some bed and bath stuff. It's another swimming pool there, and there's some more swimming pools there. So like I said, the majority of this stuff is like summer type of returns. Like I said, this is local. So these are from my local Walmart returns, and we got them for, oh, I forgot, the highest priced thing are these Honeywell quick set fans. I actually have one of these. Actually, I'm gonna show it to you. I actually have one of these. It's the exact same fan. You can't even see it. It's actually the exact same fan that I purchased. I purchased it from Target. I think I paid like $70 for it. So it's the exact same fan, and I've tested all of them. They all work. So that's a good thing. So I do have 1, 2, 3, 4, and one down there. And like I said, I tested them all. They all work beautifully, and they all have the parts in them. So those right there is probably going to make the majority of my money back. And then each one of these, we're going to list them just to get rid of them. So we may make, I say we'll probably make about maybe $600 from this pallet. Like I said, I paid $250 for it. If we make $600, that'll be a little bit of a profit. And if everything fails, we will at least make our money back. Now, like I said earlier, I do have another pallet coming, so you will be able to see that here in 5 or so days. And I'm gonna go through the whole process. I inventoried everything. I got a label maker. I'm gonna put some barcodes on the different things to show exactly where they're at and show exactly how many I have. And I'm gonna walk you through that whole process here on Side Hustle Sunday. And it's probably gonna be over the next month or two, just showing you the whole thing, getting in the other pallet, inventorying everything, listing them online, selling, setting up my eBay store. And so if you think that's something that you want to see, subscribe to the channel, share, like. I love you. Thank you. See you on the next one.